Something I use all the time in Photoshop is adjustment layers. There are adjustments here. If you don't see them, go to Windows and Adjustments. And you could change all sorts of things like hue, saturation, curves, the brightness. But sometimes you just want to change everything for one specific layer. So say I want to change everything for my boy, the main guy, and I want to change his color. Say I want to change the hue. So if I select that adjustment, right, hue saturation, it'll take me to the properties and I can slide around the slider and change the hue, which is working, but now it's changing everything. I've got a green wave, I've got a pink sky. So to get this onto just the boy, I need to pull it right above him in my layers. So I'm going to find him and I have him labeled as boy. And now when I pull it over, everything is still affected. My background, wave, what's going on? Well, there's a way to apply the adjustment layer only to the layer below it. So right now you can see hue and saturation is above boy, so that's the right position. All I need to do is go up here, back to my properties menu, and if you're in adjustments, you won't see it, so you need to be in properties and select this. It's the square with that arrow pointing down and the slash through it, this one right here. This adjustment affects all layers below. And if I select that, it will only affect the boy. So now if I move my hue, I can see that only the boy is being selected and changed. So I can change his saturation, I can change the lightness, and it all just affects him. So that's it. I use this constantly. So this little button is key. And if I click it again, it undoes it, and now it affects everything again. So that's it. I hope that this helped you guys, and have fun playing with adjustment layers.